Hi, to change icon size on your POCO X7, we just need to open settings and here scroll down to find wallpaper and personalization. After that, simply choose this tab icons and now you can adjust icon size. So you can see this bar, you need to drag the slider left to make icons smaller, and now you can also see the name of apps. And you can drag it right to make icons bigger, but in that case, as you can see, we cannot check full name of apps. So let's enable the smallest option first and check it on our homepage. So here it is. We can see full name of apps and icons are small. Now let's go back and drag the slider to the right side to make them the biggest option possible. Now I'm gonna go back to my homepage and now icons become bigger, but we cannot see full name of apps. So we can also go in background color and here choose either default, this colorful option, or you can make them purple, or you can make them green, blue, and brown. Let's make them purple and go to homepage. Now you can see that default apps such as phone, messages, Google Chrome, and so on became purple, but the rest of apps are still colorful. So we can switch back to default option, and that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.